dripping Saint Laurent, she got the perfect face. Thumbing through the deck of 52 and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions, she must.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. Welcome to another vlog. So today I'm going to go to meet my friends. We're just gonna chill at a cafe and stuff. So I thought it will be a great idea to take you guys along, as it's always a fun time. It's around 1:20 right now and I'm just gonna leave. We're going by metro. So here's my little OOTD. This t-shirt's from Uniqlo. This fanny pack I got from Malaysia. And I have these really pretty purple culotte pants that I got from Lajpat Nagar. These are the accessories and yeah, that's my fit. Showing it to you in a full length mirror. So we made it to the metro. And this is an exact representation of what people of our age do in the metro. And then we decided to come to Cafe Delhi Heights because that's the best option we had, and it's also tried and tested by most of us. Cafe Delhi Heights is a really popular casual dining restaurant in Delhi. The ambience and the menu here is great. Firstly, they served us some complimentary breads while we waited for our food. We've ordered some really cool mocktails. मीठा है मस्त है सिट्रसी एंड मीठा वो जो 50 रुपए का मिलता है बाहर वो ये 200 रुपए का मिलता है मौसम भी नहीं है We ordered some quesadillas and it was so delicious. And then we were just roaming around the mall, going to different stores. And this is just us being cool in a freaking supermarket. And just look at the sky, it's beautiful. And after a lot of metro adventures, I headed back home. Hey guys, it's a new day and that day was obviously a lot of fun, but I was so tired for some reason. Then I didn't do anything after I came back home. But anyway, so I know most of you guys here are from the classes 6 to 12 and I have some awesome news for you guys so that you can prepare better for your exams. Unacademy has launched their special festive season offer in which if you take a CBSE subscription of 12, 15 or 18 months, you get 4 months ka subscription free. If you take a subscription of 24, 36 or 48 months, you get 6 months ka subscription free. And if you take a 60, 72 or 84 months ka subscription, you get 8 months ka subscription free. And ye subscription ek bundle form mein aata hai from the classes 6 to 12. And if you take the subscription of any duration, you will be getting access of all the classes 6 to 12 for that duration. The benefits of the iconic subscription are that you get live one-to-one homework help in which you can book a dedicated slot with your mentor and he or she will help you to solve your homework related doubts as well as exam strategies and concepts. Each one of you will also be getting a personal mentor who will help you to solve your academic as well as non-academic problems. Each one of you will also be getting a study planner which will be made according to your strengths and weaknesses, and this will also help you to track your monthly progress. Along with all of this, you will also be getting weekly reports, assignments corner, special sessions and parents connect which will help in your career building as well. I would recommend you guys to take the iconic subscription, but the benefits of the plus subscription are that you get unlimited access of the plus subscription. India's top educators are going to be teaching you. You will have live interactive classes, test series and quizzes. You'll also be getting structured courses and PDFs for your studies. So if any of you guys are in the classes 6 to 12, I don't think you will have a better opportunity to purchase the subscription. I'll put the link in the description. Definitely check it out and use my code Ananya21 to get additional 10% off. I just received a package from Amazon and I'm really excited to unbox this. I know what it is, so let me show you. So I ordered a full nail art kit. So there are some brushes here. There are literally all the shapes that I would require. The nail dotting pens. These tape kind of things, I still need to figure out how to use this. And there's more. There are these 48 glitter bottles here. Literally so many. This looks so fancy. Oh my god. Like इसमें सब कुछ है. Stars and beads, hearts. It's crazy, but I love this. So this is the whole nail art kit. Along with this, I also had ordered the UV lamp so that the nails can dry faster. I'm becoming this full pro level nail artist now and I'm so excited to try out different designs. Basically, this is how it looks like. There's a USB thing to connect it. There's a button and when I turn it on, there's UV light. Looks so cool. And basically, that's how you use it. This also has like an automatic timer of 60 to 90 seconds. So that's good. No, I don't know how effective it is. I'm gonna try it out and let's see. Obviously, as you saw, I ordered it from Amazon. In case you're interested, I'll put the link in the description. You can check it out. All of this was obviously quite affordable. I'm excited to do my nails again. And I have this really cool design in mind. It's basically French tips and cherries, and now that I have this dotting pen and all of that, I can do it very easily. So it's been quite some time. Actually बहुत time हो गया, शाम हो रही है. So I've been watching a lot of shows recently because I don't have anything better to do. So let me give you all some show recommendations and you guys also please give me some show recommendations in the comment section. So Squid Games तो I'm sure पूरी दुनिया ने देख ही लिया है at this point because इतना hype करा था उसको. Oh my god. Like the show is very good, I don't doubt that. The storyline was also very good. It was quite different from the other shows. I personally felt it was very overrated. मतलब show बहुत अच्छा है but इतना ज़्यादा hype की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं थी. It has a lot of hidden meanings and morals etc. So that's great. Apart from that, सबसे recently I watched two shows. Firstly, I watched Little Things. It's on Netflix only. Again, it's a pretty good show. It's about two people in a live-in relationship and it's quite interesting. It's a 4 or 5 season का show, but the episodes of the first 2 seasons I think are just of 15 minutes each because I think originally वो YouTube पे डाला था. Then it became a Netflix original. I finished the entire show in 2 days. Obviously, I binged watched it because why not? I was doing the whole Diwali ka safai of my room, so I was watching the show side by side. If you have a lot of time on your hands and you don't have anything better to watch, then you can definitely go for this. And then after that, actually yesterday only, I watched Bombay Begums again on Netflix. I mean, that was a pretty good show. It is about, you know, the Mumbai life of the extremely rich but also the not so rich people. It's very dramatic. पहले बता देती हूँ. Like there's so much going on. पता नहीं क्या क्या ही हो रहा है उस show में. Obviously not everyone would like that kind of show. मैंने तो ऐसे ही time pass के लिए देख लिया. And now I've decided to go for cycling because I'm very bored and like I really need to start working out. So I thought I'll just go for cycling थोड़े time के लिए. Maybe call somebody तो time pass भी हो जाएगा. And it's time for dinner. So I made this really quick but really tasty dish. It's actually more like a snack, but I just have it for dinner. It's nothing fancy. Basically, I air fried the fries first and then I added some sriracha sauce, mayonnaise and a little bit of cheese, and then I microwaved it again for 20 seconds. It tastes really good, so I love this snack for me. By the way, this super pretty bowl is from Banjara Market. The vlog is coming soon, so stay tuned. And after dinner, I decided to do my mom's nails. I did this really cool nail art using all the new things. Hi guys, it is the next day and today we just went for shopping, like Diwali shopping, the basic stuff, you know, gifts etc. But anyway, I just wanted to show you what I got from Sugar and Spice. It's a bakery and I got some fancy stuff. Just kidding, but I was just excited, so I thought I'll show it to you guys. So there's this really pretty Belgian cupcake. There's also a chocolate croissant that I got for myself. This just looked really good and tempting, so I had to get this. Anyway, I just came here to end the vlog. If you you've made it till here, comment these emojis. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Follow me on Instagram, and until next time, bye.